Welcome to WR Davies, Shropshire, a family-run business established in 1924. My name's Paul and I head the after-sales team. Our most recent investment in Shropshire is a Rowley Spray Booth. We looked at both gas and electric and chose to lean more towards electric due to legislation and the way the industry is turning.
Being someone that has always used gas booths in the past, I always had the misconception that they wouldn't be as efficient or as effective as a gas booth, but using the Rowley one, genuinely it's been really good.
We chose Rowley because, like us, they're a family-run business who share the same values. From day one, Rowley were absolutely brilliant. We had a new roof being installed at the same time, but again, Rowley did not see this as an issue. Switching to electric was a bit of a no-brainer for ourselves. We wanted to have something that's more renewable and looking towards a greener future.
So I'm pretty sure that there's going to be a few techs out there that have been doing the job for 40 plus years, and from my understanding, a lot of them would be scared of moving on to electric than gas. But it's identical, it really is.
With the changes in the industry and working towards a carbon neutral future, this spray booth is a big step forward.
So I've only been with the company for only a month, but at the moment I've noticed that the curing process has been more even than what I've experienced in a gas booth.
Having high-spec equipment allows us to be more efficient, reducing key-to-key time and keeping our customers happy.
With a generic gas oven, you're not supposed to be heating up electric vehicles. However, with this one, you can, because it doesn't heat up the overall room, it just heats the panel itself, so it's not going to cause any damage to any electric vehicles that you have in there.
The staff absolutely love it in terms of they can see where we're going. It's easy for them to use as well. Rowley, what can I say? Absolutely awesome. From the word go to completion and beyond. If we have any little issues, and deal with it straight away. So, highly recommended team.
If you're a painter like me and you've ever had any misconceptions about an electric oven in the past, don't worry, there's nothing to be concerned about. After using an electric for so long, I would not go back to gas.
If you're looking to go carbon neutral just like ourselves, there is no better fit than Rowley.